Mrudula. I am representing a prototype on development of embedded system for accident prevention. The main reason for accidents is growing population. Because of this growing population, population intensity increases. Due to that, accidents are occurring. And another reason for this also is drunk and drive. And by using this prototype, we can use the power supply which is of 5 volts only, and the cost of this is also very less. We can use it for any type of vehicles, means for 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, and any type of vehicles we can use. And this is affordable for person of every class, means low class and high class, like that. And coming to the components, it consists of microprocessor. This microprocessor is 8086 microprocessor. It is 16-bit 14 register microprocessor. It is used to interface between the input-output devices and memory and input-output devices. And we use power supply which is of 5 volts. This is the main advantage. We use less power supply. And IR sensor, means we use distance sensor. In distance sensor we use IR sensor or ultrasonic sensor. Here we are using IR sensor. The main difference between IR and ultrasonic is that in IR sensor we use less distance, we use IR sensor, and for more distance we use ultrasonic sensor. And this IR sensor is done on this IR sensor on the PCB board. It consists of IC 555 and resistors, capacitors, and variable resistor. We can vary the resistance value. It consists of transmitter and receiver. The transmitter will transmit the IR radiations, and if obstacle is present, the radiations are obstructed, and that is reflected, and receiver receives that IR radiations, and based on that it produces the output. This output is given to the input of the microprocessor. Initially giving this input, we are dumping a source code in this microprocessor. The main source code is based on how to detect the obstacle is present, and how to indicate the person that obstacle is present and there is some danger, like that, to indicate that that type of prototype is dumped in this microprocessor. Here 24 pin microprocessor, 24 pin is the input and 20th is the output pin. And we are giving this IR sensor is the input, so we are giving this IR sensor to 24 pins, means input. We use two output devices, that is display and the buzzer. Display, we can internally connect a display internally in the microprocessor, or externally we connect the display by using some other circuit components. Here we are internally connected this display, and we give this IR sensor is used to convert analog signal into digital form. The digital form of when obstacle is present, the digital form of the IR sensor is 0. This 0 is given as the input to the microprocessor. The output will be 1. That 1 is given to the buzzer. By giving the 1 has to the buzzer activates and it sounds. And at the same time, in this display, it gives some warning, indication that some warning has occurred. Be ready, some warning has occurred. And coming to the output, first we execute that G space. When obstacle is present, we are getting the buzzer here, and at the same time, when obstacle is present, it shows on display that some obstacle is there. You need to take caution, means some danger will be there. And the more advanced version of this is we can even use motion sensor. Motion sensor is used to detect the objects when it is in motion. Like for example, in traffic, when there is traffic, or during traffic signals and all, the vehicles will be nearby only. At that time we can sense the obstacles nearby. At that time we shouldn't get the buzzer. For that purpose we can use the motion sensor. In future scope we may even use that sensor. We may even connect to the brake, so that automatically the brake will be on when obstacle is present. We all done this by using the GSM. And here coming to the microprocessor, this one is the processor, and these are all the internal devices connected. Based on that only we get the whole microprocessor will operate. and we can even use for further analysis also we can use, for future scope also we can use this. Thank you.